Hi, I'm Carissa and Chad Smith, and we are building the Prescott H model. The best part of our experience working with Shaw Homes has been just meeting the people that represent the company. They've just been so knowledgeable and kind. They've been very patient with us, and they've been able to use their expertise and wisdom in home building to guide us in a way that helps us meet what we wanted in our design for building our dream home. And the people have just been outstanding and supportive.
And I really appreciated the fact that there's been just no pressure throughout the process. There's been no just hard sales pitch throughout this whole just experience, and it has been a good experience.
We actually have never worked with another builder. This is our first time to build a home, and we have just felt that working with Shaw Homes has been so seamless for us.
Yeah, and transparent as well. Been very good.
I would definitely recommend my friends to build with Shaw and their friends and their friends. What I've loved about it is that their website is phenomenal, so you can get on there in the middle of the night when you can't stop thinking about it and check out the pictures. They have a lot of model homes that are beautifully decorated with lots of options. Then you can go in and tour them as often as you'd like. And then when you get to the design studio, there's just so many options to customize your house that fits your budget and your design style. So,
And if there's things that you want to do that aren't listed, they're saying they'll work with you on different options. If you're going to build a pool, or if you want to add, say, fourth car garage, they will work with you on different things like that, and make it fit into your home and make it be the home of your dreams.